Let's believe in ourselves today. ProSportsLook.com on 3. 1, 2, 3. ProSportsLook.com!
Being part of a team is something to be remembered for a lifetime. Bring those memories to life with an end-of-season gift from ProSportsLook.com. After all, how many plastic trophies does one person need? Pro Sports Look products are a great end-of-season gift for any team or league, or a great way to send off your seniors on senior day. Use a team photo or give each player a design of their own. Reinforce the positive things they learned from their experience, like character, respect, or teamwork. Add your coach's favorite quote and you've got something your team will keep for a lifetime. Pro Sports Look offers a number of team discounts too. Call us at 800-775-5116 for more information.